Welcome to Foxtecc. Today, I'm going to show you how to ensure your mail notifications are showing up on your iPhone. Keeping up with your emails is essential, and having reliable notifications can help you stay on top of important messages. Let's get started. First, it's crucial to check that no focus modes are interfering with your mail notifications. Focus modes like Do Not Disturb, Work, or Sleep can suppress notifications. To turn off all focus modes, open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen and make sure none of the focus modes are active. If they are, tap on them to disable. Next, let's make sure that mail notifications are enabled in your settings. Go to Settings and scroll down to find Notifications. Tap on Notifications, then scroll down until you see Mail. Tap on Mail and you'll see a list of all your email accounts. Ensure that Allow Notifications is turned on. This setting enables notifications for lock screen, a notification center, and banners, so you won't miss any emails. You can further customize notification settings for each email account. Tap on the email account you want to adjust. Here you can turn on sounds, badges, and choose your preferred banner style. Sounds will alert you with a tone when you receive an email, and badges will show the number of unread emails on the Mail app icon. Customizing these settings ensures you get notified in the way that works best for you. If you followed these steps and you're still having issues, there might be a problem with the email account itself. To resolve this, you can delete the problematic email account and then reinstall it on your iPhone. Go to Settings, then Mail, and tap on Accounts. Select the email account that's causing trouble, and then tap on Delete Account. Confirm that you want to delete it. Once the account is deleted, go back to Accounts and tap on Add Account. Follow the prompts to reinstall the email account. Reinstalling the account often resolves any remaining notification errors, ensuring your mail notifications work as they should. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Foxtecc. I hope this video helps you get your mail notifications working properly on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content. Peace.